Molly, where's your ball? Go get your ball. Go get it. She's not supposed to be in the house, but it's so cold out, we're letting her come in. She's a good girl. Can you get that ball? Hmm? Can you get that ball? You know I can't throw it in here. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Good girl.